It may sound like science fiction, but the FBI says it's really happening. Scammers are using deepfake technology and stolen personally identifiable information to trick employers into hiring them for remote positions. The adoption of Zoom interviews and online paperwork make it easier than ever for bad actors to fly under the radar. If they manage to sneak into a job that has access to a lot of customer information or financial data, they can do real damage. So how do you make sure the person you want to hire is really who they say they are? During a recent Sterling webinar, 77% of attendees said they thought their traditional background checks verified their candidates' identities. They pointed to the Social Security number trace and Form I-9 as ways they do this. While these are both very important pieces of the puzzle, they do not actually confirm someone's identity. An SSN trace is used to give your screener additional names and addresses to search when they're putting together a candidate's criminal history. But what if the candidate doesn't give you their real Social Security number or provides other false information? How will you know? Just one bad digit can throw off an entire background check. The Form I-9 process does require examination of government-issued documents, but even though this is required by law, it isn't foolproof. First, Form I-9s are usually managed by HR managers who are not trained to sniff out fake documents. It also happens after you've made the hire, so now if you find you've been duped, you're right back at square one. Fortunately, screening technology can be used to guard yourself against these fraudsters. Sterling's partnership with ID.me simplifies the process for identity verification, similar to the way Apple Wallet and Google Pay provide touchless payment options. Instead of always having to provide PII to confirm your identity, you can create a portable digital identity that can be used over and over again. ID verification should be the very first step of the screening process. Candidates can use either a government-issued ID, biometric and facial matching, mobile device verification, or even a live video chat to confirm their identity and their PII. Once that's done, the background screen begins and the candidate gets to reuse their digital identity in the future. Not only does this solution enable more accurate screening, but it also streamlines the hiring process for candidates and HR departments, accelerates time to hire, is scalable, and relatively inexpensive. This simple step can keep not only the deep fakes, but also the innocent mistakes from derailing your hiring. To learn more about the importance of ID verification, check out the on-demand webinar. You can find it at www.sterlingcheck.com/screening-misconceptions.